Hello and good day. My name is Adam, a renewable energy engineer, and today I'll be taking you through how to design a simple standalone system using Pvsyst. So let's open the software. Okay, so this is the interface that pops up after opening the software. Let's move straight to project design standalone. Okay, so you have to name your file. So let's make it py12 and same for project name py12. Okay, after that you have to select your meteo site. So move to this, choose site, let's choose Kumasi. Okay, and this pops up. After that, just save your work so that you don't lose it, and pay attention to this interface because it tells you whatever is happening. So it says what the orientation is not defined, but before that you can give your variant names. Variant helps you to do several systems within a same project name. So I can have variant 1, variant 2 depending on it. So let's say I'm doing this for house 1. Okay, so I move to orientation. Then depending on what you want or what is you've seen on site after site visits, azimuth, I recommend Bright Harvest or Solar Design Tool. These are software simulating tools that gives you the azimuth of the site, but there are also manual ways of calculating it. So you just move fixed tilted plane because you are not doing the tracking. So okay, then move to use and ease. So use and ease, depending on what you want, you just put them here. So let's say we want LED lights 5, let's say a wattage of 20 watts, and we are going to use it for, let's say, 8 hours. Okay, so pay attention to this side, hourly distribution. Actually, our hourly distribution helps you to evenly distribute how you think the loads will be used. So this represents a 24-hour clock, but each segment represents 30 minutes, and this is 6 a.m. to 12 a.m. and this is 12 noon. So let's say we are going to use some of the loads during the day, early in the morning, then maybe the rest in the evening. So depending on how you think your client is going to use the loads. Okay, so let's choose maybe another one, AC. Maybe AC of 2 horsepower, so that would be like 1490 watts. 490 watts. Okay, and maybe you'll be using it for, let's say, 8 hours. So you move back to the hourly distribution, then you select how you are going to use it. I think most of them they use it night. You know, when you select the night time, it means you are increasing your backup. When you select daytime, it means you are increasing your what? Your PV. Okay, so you can save it. You can save it. Then just continue. So let's just move to okay. So this is the kilowatt hour you'll be generating during every day, like you need every day, and the software is going to calculate. The software is going to calculate exactly what you need. So now you move to your system and look at it. You have to select. This represents loss of load. This is the percentage tendency for which the loads that you've selected might not be used. So normally we leave it at 5%. Then your days of autonomy, you can slash it down to 1. Then here, depending on the system voltage, we are going to use a 48 volts. So you select your storage. We have a 200 amp hour battery, so I've selected that. Then you move to your PV array. Automatically, it calculates for you. You see, it calculated the 273 amp hour battery and also a 5.4 kilowatts peak. So you just move here. You choose your controller. You get it. So we use growers. So I'm going to choose our 5 kVA. Yeah. Okay, but before that you have to select your PV models.